Today marks the final day of oral arguments at the Supreme Court in the historic challenge to the Obama health care law. On Tuesday, all indications were that the justices are split along familiar lines. Chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court this morning. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning, Charlie. From the beginning, the president's health care law, and especially that individual mandate requiring people to buy health insurance, has deeply divided America. And Tuesday, it divided the justices as well. Although if they were voting today, it looks like a majority is ready to throw it out. Outside the court, opponents of the law had newfound confidence.
Between coming out and going in, I'm happier coming out than when I went in. Let me put it to you that way.
Inside the court, the cornerstone of the health care law, the individual mandate that requires all Americans buy insurance, came under fire.
What is left? If the government can do this, what else can it not do?
The conservative justices and Justice Anthony Kennedy, a moderate, suggested the law went too far, giving Congress broad new powers to dictate behavior.
That is different from what we have in previous cases.
Well,
that changes the relationship of the federal government to the individual in a very fundamental way.
Protect our care, protect our law.
Their tough questions had leading proponents of the law raising concerns that the government didn't make its case, putting the law in jeopardy. Some are going so far as to point the finger at the Solicitor General of the United States, Donald Verrilli, who represented the government before the court. But the justices always hammer lawyers on the other side with tough questions, and justices who are sympathetic jump in and try to help out the lawyer. Happens all the time. The problem in the Supreme Court yesterday for the government wasn't its lawyer, it was the case. Charlie and Erica?
Jan, one question. It seems to me that everybody that I have talked to and everybody that's written about this thought that there are clear indications that, in fact, this individual mandate might be ruled unconstitutional. Many things can change before they come together, but that is the consensus in the courtroom from what I have heard or observed.
Charlie, very tough questions from the conservative justices yesterday, and that key swing vote, Justice Kennedy, who will provide the decisive fifth vote for the majority. But think about what they're going to do now. They're going to go back and talk about this case between themselves, start writing opinions, and they can change their mind. Justice Kennedy has done it before more than once. The thing, though, that I'd like to say is the liberal justices seemed deeply committed to supporting this law. I wouldn't look for them to change their minds.
Thank you.